Hello and welcome to Recharging Your Dantien. It's one of the energy hygiene modalities I'm offering in this workshop. But before we talk about the Dantien, let's talk about the Earth Star Chakra. This chakra is outside of your body, about 12 inches into the earth, right below your feet. Even if you live on the 100th floor of an apartment building, you can still easily access your Earth Star Chakra. This chakra links you to all that you are physically made of and all that sustains your physical well-being. The Earth Star Chakra is also the liaison between the earth, which is everything that is physical, and your lower three chakras. The Earth Star Chakra has no movement. It is solid and steady as a rock. It is black or a very dark brown color. Now let's take a look at it. I want you to begin by taking a deep breath, and as you exhale, follow your breath down your chakra heart line, past the root chakra, and 12 inches into the earth. Follow that line all the way down your heart line, all the way through your root chakra, 12 inches into the earth, all the way to your Earth Star Chakra. You don't have to go to the center of the earth. You don't have to go miles and miles into the earth. This is literally 12 inches into the ground. You will encounter an energy mass. It's larger than the chakras inside your body. It's motionless, dark in color, super strong and solid. You will not have to breathe energy into it to activate it, because it is always working. The Earth Star Chakra and your Soul Star Chakra are always activated and working for you. So take a look at your Earth Star Chakra. Get a sense of how it feels to you. Spend a moment here becoming familiar with this vital chakra. It supports your very being. Now let's talk about the Dantien. Dantien is a martial arts term for your life chi or life force. It is between the second and third chakras in your body. Make a fist and place your thumb on your belly button. Right below your fist is your Dantien. It's about 2 inches deep within your belly. Close your eyes and take your inner awareness to it now. Using your inner vision, take a look at the color of your Dantien and the movement of it. Typically it looks like the sun. It's all the shades of orange, yellow, and gold. And it moves very much like the sun, like a big liquid pot of energy. If your Dantien is not the vibrant colors of orange and gold, and it is not moving and swirling, if you don't get a sense of vibrancy from it, you may want to spend some time breathing life into it. It's just clearing away any stagnant energy, anything that's blocking your normal and natural life chi. Let's practice that now. Imagine your breath is a set of bellows. Take a deep breath in and inhale pure energy. Exhale anything that is negatively impacting your Dantien. You don't even have to know what it is. Just with your intention and your awareness, as you inhale, you're inhaling pure energy. And as you exhale, you're exhaling out anything that is blocking your life chi. Keep doing this breathing practice until you can see a notable improvement in your Dantien's color and movement. A motionless life chi means a motionless life, and that is no way to say yes to your essential spirit. Now that you know about your Earth Star chakra and your Dantien, let's connect them. Let's get your Dantien connected to the Earth Star chakra so that you can benefit from all that beautiful earth energy. By grounding yourself to your Earth Star chakra, you are literally tapping into an unlimited supply of earth energy. This will strengthen you on all levels and regarding all issues related to the first, second, and third chakras. Softly close your eyes and allow your breathing to become calm and effortless. Calm and effortless. Your only awareness is on your breath. The inhalation, the exhalation, the rhythm of it moving in your body. Once you feel centered in your breath, take your awareness to your Dantien. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, allow a thin golden cord of your Dantien energy to fall down your heart line, through your second chakra, through your first chakra, through the floor, and into the earth until you reach the solid mass of energy that is your Earth Star chakra. When you reach it, anchor your golden thread of Dantien right to it. Pin it like you would a thumbtack. Do you notice any difference in the way your body feels? Do you feel heavier, slower, fuller? Do you get a sense of how solid the Earth Star Chakra's energy is? As long as your Dantien is anchored there, you are grounded to Earth energy, safely and completely, without disturbing Mama Earth. Now remember, this is an unlimited source of energy. So let's use it to refill your Dantien. Again, using your breath as bellows, imagine that you are pulling energy up from your Earth Star Chakra, up your Dantien cord, up your chakra heart line, and right into your Dantien, much like refilling a reservoir. You're moving Earth Star energy back up into your body. Don't rush this process, and take note of the sensation of moving Earth energy and restoring your life chi. Now you're going to want to practice this often, because the more familiar you are with these sensations, the easier and quicker the process becomes. Soon you can get the same results of fulfilling your Dantien with the mere thought. Now you can do this energy practice anytime you want to increase your personal power, your security, creativity, your ability to adapt and overcome, and to increase your prosperity. I would suggest doing this at least once a week. Do it at least once a week. Add it to the cutting cords and psychic shower energy modalities, and you will have a complete energy hygiene practice. Live earth empowered, loved ones.